Good morning and welcome to the first channel station. Hi everyone, my name is John. Now, can you guess where is my home country? That's right. It's England. I am from England. Now, today I want to talk to you about natural English. Okay, repeat after me. Natural English. It's how people from the UK, America, Canada, Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand talk to each other every day. But sometimes in Korea, the English you learn is a little strange. We hear and think, okay, they are from different country. We can call this unnatural English. Repeat after me. Unnatural English. Okay, now let's look at some different examples of natural and unnatural English. If I say, "Hi, how are you?" what do you say? Sometimes you say unnatural English. Fine, thank you. And you? This is not natural English. Natural English, we say, "I'm fine, thanks. How are you?" Okay, everybody, repeat after me. "I'm fine, thanks. How are you?" Very good. So now let's look at some examples for actions, doing something. Unnatural English, she cooks well. Natural English, we say, she is good at cooking. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. She is good at cooking. Another example of unnatural English is take a rest. With natural English, we say, you should rest. Okay. Repeat after me. You should rest. Okay. We can also use natural English to describe people. Unnatural English, you might say, how handsome he is, or how beautiful she is. This is not natural. Natural English, we say, he is very handsome. Repeat after me. He is very handsome. Or, for girls, she is very beautiful. Repeat after me. She is very beautiful. Our final example for today, you sometimes hear at sports games, maybe a baseball game. Unnatural English, "Minsu, fighting!" But natural English, we say, "Good luck, Minsu." Okay, repeat after me. Good luck, Minsu. You heard many examples today of natural English. I hope they can help you when you are speaking English in the future. Thank you for listening to the first channel station. Goodbye, everyone.